Ano bang Kaiser Network? Ang Kaiser Network, meron tayong 12,000 plus accredited doctors and it's still growing. Meron din tayo 2,000 hospitals and clinics and still growing. Meron po tayong 800 dentists and still growing at meron din tayong siyam na Kaiser Medical Center. Siyempre, ang main provider ay yung ating mga hospitals and clinics at yung mga doctors noon, sa mga dentists. Pero at the core, meron po tayong 24 by 7 na services sa ating call center, sa ating customer care center. At kung kayo ay Group HMO member, meron po tayong license officer na assigned sa inyong group. Marami po tayong ospital. Lahat po ng ospital ata na magaganda, actually palagay ko lahat na ng tertiary hospital sa buong Pilipinas, meaning yung complete hospitals na kaya mag-treat ng maraming mga illnesses ay accredited na ng Kaiser. At doon sa lugar na walang tertiary hospitals, ina-accredited yung best equipped na hospital. 2,000 hospitals and clinics and still growing po ngayon, but Kaiser will accredit the best hospitals in your area. Kasama po sa best hospitals na accredited ng Kaiser ay yung major hospitals natin gaya ng St. Luke's, Asian Hospital and Medical Center, Makati Medical Center, Cardinal Santos Medical Center, Medical City, University of Cebu Medical Center, Chonghua Hospital, at Cebu Doctors University Hospital. Kasama rin po nito nga yung ating 2,000 hospitals and clinics nationwide.